Stok.ly offers omni-channel retail management software that seamlessly joins up your order management, warehouse management, and sales order processing from the cloud for unlimited users. We work with retailers who sell online, in-store, and with wholesalers selling purely business to business. Stok.ly automates processes, removes manual data entry, cuts human error, and provides actionable insight to help management teams cut costs, save time, and most importantly, grow sales. Stok.ly offers short sales cycles spanning 6 to 12 weeks, short onboarding for customers with go-live dates within 8 to 12 weeks, and long customer relationships of 4+ years, meaning our hardware partners have the opportunity to buy back and renew hardware deals. Our integrations are plug and play with all the major e-commerce website platforms and marketplaces, and our API supports integrations with ERP systems and custom software applications. Customer success stories. Customer 1 operates a wholesale food business with an annual turnover in excess of £50 million. The customer operates 3 warehouses and a fleet of 50+ vehicles that deliver to their customer base daily. Their sales channels include telesales, field sales, cash desk, and a custom B2B sales app. With 70+ workers in their warehouse team, this customer adopted Stok.ly to scale their e-commerce business, drive digital transformation in their warehouse using our Stock app on Zebra handheld PDAs, and cut pick and pack errors using barcode scanning. Customer 2 operates a retail business selling direct to consumers with an annual turnover in excess of £15 million. The customer operates 20 physical retail stores and a large warehouse from where stores are replenished and e-commerce sales orders are processed and dispatched via couriers. Sales channels include point of sales in store, telesales, and e-commerce channels including websites and marketplaces. This customer needed one system that would deliver real-time inventory control in-store and online. This customer chose Stok.ly to drive digital transformation in their warehouse using our Stock app on Zebra PDAs, automate store replenishment and purchasing, while cutting pick and pack errors using barcode scanning. Customer 3 operates an e-commerce business selling homewares direct to consumers, with an annual turnover in excess of £8 million. The customer operates 2 branded e-commerce websites and a large warehouse from where e-commerce sales orders are processed and dispatched via couriers. This customer adopted Stok.ly to replace multiple legacy systems, reduce systems complexity, benefit from advanced retail reports, and streamline their accounting processes. We don't think there is anything like Stok.ly for managing a fast-growing, modern retail business in-store and online. If you'd like to find out more, please visit us online at www.stok.ly or contact us at letstalk@Stokly. We work with resellers and partners and offer revenue sharing models for introductions and joint projects.